I want to make a short video to demonstrate this vintage Arnex 5-minute repeating watch. I usually acquire one or two of these a year. I think they're cool watches and at a very reasonable price point as compared to an antique 5-minute repeater. So I have it set where it should chime 12 times for the hour and then 11 times for the 5-minute increments, which is the longest chime on a 5-minute repeater. Okay, so it chimed exactly as it should. Let's go ahead and advance the time, just to show you that everything works properly. So it's a vintage Arnex 5-minute repeating watch, very cool watch, and one that you can actually carry without worrying about it, and it won't break the bank. You press the top button and then it comes open exactly as it should. The dial is in pristine condition. Take care.